the bus this morning as they make their way to their respective schools. And some are just relaxing because they know that they have done their work.
Yeah.
Yes, we came in to all the to all our friends and listeners who are enjoying the annual leave today.
Right.
Woo, sa ni Maleka.
Maleka.
Malesa nga nanu muni pagdengo nanu muni para relax na budi bitokani. Kabo si bida bisogo so talaga ito matamuni. Ano bugun ni Vakasongo. We can ito kaya nangon sa lakobo to nangongo. We've received pictures of students who are sitting for their exams today. You can check out their photos on our VTFM Facebook page. Ni watching on the show and
Right.
To all our friends tuning from overseas and as well as John Kumar and all this gang from Bararabeli in Singatoka.
The break starter. And also to Melna Dhalebu, good morning to from Brisbane. And everybody to the LT1230. The one and only brother who is?
Who?
Tata dito Dubs, good morning.
Black Arrow.
Black Arrow. Motolo. And also to every Melitamani. Not forgetting all the hands of the firefighter. The police officer. Inside and outside. Not forgetting all the workers in the hospital. In the roads. In the boundaries. To everybody who come and cutting the grass. To us people. We thank you for the healthiness. The cleanliness. The
godliness.
Oh yeah. And everything that become a loneliness.
Okay, staff from the Temple Zone Limited, Okalandi, Nisilandi. And mula ka Stephen Leo, Seta Tulaboni, Mohammed Khan, and Junior Zink. They are tuning in this morning.
All right, let me see. How long should you use your toothbrush before you change it?
It should be 3 months.
You can take 3 years.
3 years
Okay. People in the village, the things that they use in place of the toothbrush.
They sometimes they use the korakase popol. Na dalekito nandiniwak. We use that one for toothbrush.
Guinea pig
ngor na susu merewa kabisamu. So when they
in the village
in the village they use me too. One day I saw my grandfather. I follow. They use it as the toothbrush. Just like the normal toothbrush, but the thing is no Colgate.
No Colgate.
Some they use charcoal.
Some of them they use charcoal. To help them whiten their teeth and strong their teeth.
Don't know what so ka ba daw talitik to kina to na koro na tune nga man nga bang drang tinga nan drang niuto sa makaotoka. Kaya ni ko to may nan drang niuto na bunuto mamatu sa ko sa tunga ki munrenga and no mutu na koro.
Yellow cab taxi driver LT4815 to Chesoni Ramasoli. Good morning and all Bilsaki to Tavale Atu. Toothbrush charcoal nguniti lewat kata tunggo. Tamay semi Eparama.
Okay, our story this morning still in the village about the three
musketeers.
Three friends.
3 friends they doing a job, they doing it for 3.
Okay.
If they doing something, they doing it for the lovely of 3. Triangle or pyramid. So when they do a job, they do it together as a 3. So they go into the village. They planning to do a scheme. They do the social back. So in the morning they plan to they are oldies. So in the morning they plan, okay, your job is this. Then after that come breakfast. After breakfast you this. You plan to Yangona. Okay, what's your job in the afternoon? We sasamaki. Okay, set in the afternoon we will do your job. They do it for 3. Or if no, someday they do your day today, Monday. This one today and Tuesday, depending on what job you want. To make the work easier. Some of us when we walk alone, we
lonely.
Before lonely and because nobody there is to talk to us.
True.
So if you don't have a radio to listening on the radio, so you will become a lonelier. So they go. They do the jobbing in the afternoon. Okay, what time you gonna start? We start at 3 because the sun go down,
Yeah.
we have to start at 3.
Right.
Arto sa tingin muna late tulungo. And one of them
Yeah.
have a heartache.
Oh.
Gaya tadi ko naman tinuto eh.
Yeah.
Right.
So he forgot his oxygen breather.
Yes.
Gaya ngulat itu mena koro.
Yeah.
So when they went there, barta paling kay kuya, akan nabuwa kana kabinano.
Oh.
And
that is a big taboo.
Yeah, they cause he's pumping to pampa.
Yeah.
Sabi tarap men na pampa minuto.
Yeah. Bumper to bumper.
Bampa to bampa ko na makasota.
Yeah. Acha.
So when they stay there,
Yeah.
this one passed away on the scene.
Oh.
On the
Heart
spot.
attack and then
Heart attack, and they trying to pump them. They use mouth to mouth.
Yeah.
They use stomach to stomach.
Yeah. The thing was,
May pump tayo na kita na. So
Yeah.
living ngusuna. Sasing ni raw. Erto tukia.
Yeah.
Back to back.
Dinasar.
Kasang
Bumpa to bumpa.
Yeah.
Sang-sangay, when they're trying, they're very hard to alive.
Yeah.
No, nothing happened.
Yeah.
When you stay in the forest, like 5 p.m. like this,
Yes.
the shadow of the dark is near.
Yes.
Eh?
Oh, amo
Loma
na
ni tao ni, it's very hard to see because in the
Yes.
forest,
Yeah.
Totolo sar na buto ni
the blanket of the forest is a forest.
Yes.
Yeah. Itu
Yes.
kita gitu na loma ni bekaw and bekaw mula tu kira
Right.
bekaw loa. When they stay there, and the fella said, wants to stay
Yeah.
to look after the one who passed away.
Yeah.
Yes.
And once you go and share the story and the accident happened.
Yes.
Yeah.
Relay the message.
Relay the message to the villages.
There's a problem here, eh?
Yeah.
You said that we can come.
Yes.
Sangay baro biya madala to ko bunituranga o kaya atinde.
Yeah.
The one with the
Scary heart.
scary heart,
Yeah.
stay there.
Yes.
And the one with the steady heart,
Right.
Yeah.
hey, one thing we're gonna do.
Yeah.
One should stay
Yeah.
and one should go.
Right.
Sangay binakata, he wants to share the story that he can
The
hear.
plan.
Okay.
Na plan.
Yeah.
Raida, iko mo nawawatu ke me bosa ba ya?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sangay tige bungo ko ya. Ngai bosa me sa bosa ba non tu.
Yeah.
Tiba
Yeah.
me raida.
Yeah.
Tiba. Sangay tige bunga te tiba me sangay tuno ka tiba iko mo wawatoka.
Yeah.
E mula ko na kor.
Gay ko sa no to friend na ako kiri katol. Ngono may kadibiki no numbula tamo sa kani. E katsi sar nga nemen laksar singa
Iya,
mi.
laksar.
Mata kira mata na sa ngin bombo eh.
Iya,
Rai
warna
tu
tunga.
nga.
Wano tunga.
Te warna tunga. Garo bita pala ni ke kwa karere.
Ko karere.
Iya. Gak kila ngarondo be lebuna ngono rondo be
Right.
Bespulta
bolita.
ke. Rosar nga to bambola tu no to do ba sol sol ba.
Naku komanda non robe spulta ke. Rosi tu ni biya bakawa timbale tani rondo kila.
Sandi na.
Iya.
Labi
Kaza ka bina ka kede rota ka baro kila sungor.
Right.
Rong geng ni doro.
Iya.
And after that, nagsagay pero atente.
Iya.
Tiba.
Iya.
Say Raida.
Iya. Listen.
Tiba, listen.
Iya.
Listen, you have to stay here.
Yeah.
Should be like that. Incomplete sentence.
Yeah.
When the father said, listen.
Yeah.
And the father respond.
Yeah.
Listen ni what?
Eh.
Us two going to the village. Sembero ka tiba misangka tu tiba iko mo wawato kay ke. Ayaw mo lang na kor mo wato kay ke. Sembero ka tiba na da bororo na kor.
Batu sara ko dere seri budi ko ya. Kila sara ka boro bi batu ko.
Abaro biba.
Kota betul kok sama patero tu.
Iya.
Ayaw gambula.
Bambul ka tu aberto ng bula ambulance.
Right. LM69.
Elei. Tahu biau.
Na LT6809 o forenge mbole na ivalu.
Yan dah kan dah.
Rabito kaya na mata di kuwa.
Isa.
Kali place tadi rocket tako. Lako ina siya, mengena no mga kinabi piniki lice.
Right.
Isa. Madaw sa ti singatambo ramai dakapakendo nakakana kena lutu no sa may bakading. Meritaya.
Right.
And I tutu bakang biso bi menaboli kun lutu church.
Iyo.
For biso bi Henry Bull.
Isa.
Membulare vambi bitalto bi kona masi bi fadani boy. Sema tu menanda ke estate.
Right.
Nanoa era tendalo kena dorbo menakor. Rau besu tokin lerua.
Yes.
O tandang tadi to lais kena to tabale o tamay vika.
Right.
O penny. Ana lako kina siya lida buyang kon. Siyam vengarabi ben sila.
Tamay di
dile
taira.
kami.
Karto siya matang minggo babita mani o peni ke rona ngoni dileki bate ke kami. Do yan benaka.
Dona keres transport la tumengo may novo. Tombula. Binabali bu like hat, like
Right.
taka, hataka nontalai benamatani ko. All the best to all the students who will be sitting for their papers today and tomorrow next week. Thank you very much. All the best.